Hi everyone, this video is about dividing polynomials using synthetic division. Here are the steps in using synthetic division. Step 1. Arrange the dividend and the divisor in descending order. List all coefficients of the dividend from left to right in the first row, so as illustrated in the picture on the right, placing missing power with zeros. Step 2. Place the value of C with a separator aligned with the coefficients of the dividend. Step 3. Bring down the first coefficient in the third row, B, then multiply it with C. Place their product under the second coefficient. Then add that product and the second coefficient and write the answer in the third row below them. C. Repeat this step 3B until the last coefficient in the third row is obtained. So let us apply these steps in the following examples. Find the quotient and the remainder using synthetic division. Number 1, 3x cubed plus x squared minus 25 minus 20x divided by x minus 2. Step 1. Arrange the polynomial, the dividend, and the divisor in descending order. Okay, so that is 3x squared or 3x cubed rather plus x squared minus 20x minus 25. Then list all the coefficients of the dividend in the first row. Extract the value of x by equating x minus 2 to 0. Adding both sides by 2 to get x is equal to 2. Write 2 with the indicator aligned with the coefficients of the dividend in the first row. Step 3. Bring down 3. Multiply 3 by 2. Write the product under the second coefficient. Then add them, 1 plus 6. Write the answer below them in the third row, that is 7. And then repeat 7 times 2, the product, right under the third coefficient, negative 14. Then add them, that is negative 6. Again, multiply with 2. Write the product below the last coefficient. Then add them. Write the answer below them. We have negative 37. Negative 37 is the remainder. 3, 7, negative 6 are the coefficients of the quotient. How to translate coefficients of a dividend, remainder, and quotient is, or the video about it is available in this channel. Example number 2, 12 plus 10x cubed minus 7x squared minus 9x raised to 4 all over x plus 1. Step 1, arrange the terms of the dividend in descending order. Do the same with the divisor. So that is negative 9x raised to 4 plus 10x cubed minus 7x squared plus 0x. Place 0 with the missing term. So as you can see, power of 1 is missing. So by checking the exponents, starting with the degree, we have 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So degree or power of 1 is missing. Place it with 0. Then list the coefficients of the dividend in the first row of the synthetic division. Extract the value of x by equating it to 0, that is x plus 1 equals 0, subtracting 1 to both sides to get x is equal to negative 1. Negative 1, place it in the separator aligned with the coefficients of the dividend. Then bring down negative 9 for step 3. Then multiply it with negative 1. Product will be written under the second coefficient. Add the second coefficient and that product. That is 10 plus 9 equals 19. Again, multiply it with negative 1. Write the product below the third coefficient 7. Then add. That is negative 12. Again, multiply it with negative 1. Then the product, write it below 0. That is the fourth coefficient. Then add them. That is 12. And again, multiply it with negative 1. Write their product below 12. That's the last coefficient. Then again, add them. Write the answer below them. That will be the remainder. Negative 9, 19, negative 12, 12 are the coefficients of the quotient. Again, video on how to translate the coefficients of the dividend, the quotient, and the remainder into P of x, D of x, Q of x, and R of x is available in this channel. Another example, negative 5x cubed or 5x squared plus 4x plus x cubed minus 3 divided by 3x minus 1. Arrange the terms of the polynomials in descending order. The divisor is in descending order. The dividend should be arranged because the terms are rumbled. So we have x cubed, that's the leading term, followed by negative 5x squared, followed by plus 4x, and then negative 3. So let's check if the exponents are, or the powers are complete. 3, 2, 1, 0. So no need to place 0 for the missing term because there is no missing term. Then next is list the coefficients of the dividend in the first row of the synthetic division, then extract the value of x by equating it to 0, then adding 1 to both sides to get 3x equals 1, then dividing both sides by 3 to get x is equal to 1/3. 1/3, place it on the first row with an indicator aligned with the coefficients of the dividend. That's step 2. Then for step 3, bring down 1, the leading coefficient, multiply it with 1/3, the divisor, their product, write it in or under -5, then add them, that is -4, multiply it with 1/3, write the product under 4, then add them, write the answer below, that is on the third row, and then multiply 8/3 by 1/3, write the product under -3, add them, the sum is 0. So that's the remainder, and the coefficients of quotient are 1, -4, 8/3. Again, translating coefficients of dividend, coefficients of quotient, and the remainder video related to that is available in this channel. Okay, I hope you've learned something. See you on my next video. Bye!